Hey, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, this is andthatisTrice, and I am Trice. If you are not new, thank you so much for stopping back by to see what we got going on over here in my area, in this space. Y'all, listen! I was feeling it today, okay? Your girl was feeling real springy, Eastery, pastel, purpley, pinky. I was just feeling it, okay? I was here for the color. I'm not gonna talk too much. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And also go ahead and hit the subscribe button, girl. I don't understand what you waiting on, what the holdup is, why you keep playing. I don't like to be played with. And I just really want you here. So if you could just go ahead and hit the button, that'd be great. Also, you guys feel free to leave comments. I love when people leave comments. I like to respond. I love to be conversational and interactive. So go ahead and do that as well. But if you would like to see how I achieve this pretty pink springtime or anytime you want to wear it look, then just keep on watching. So we are just starting off priming our lids with the LAGirl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. Nothing new. And I'm just blending that out, but I'm not going to set it. I'm going to just let it be. And then I'm going into this Beauty Treats blush palette, and I'm taking that pink shade, and I'm patting that on top of my lid. Actually all over my lid with this Morphe M441 brush. And I thought this came out so pretty and pigmented. That was the exact pink that I wanted. So that blush palette came through. It's from the Beauty Supply Girl. So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find it. But if not, use any pink that you would like or that you have. So now I'm just dusting off that brush on a towel, and I'm blending out the edges. So just kind of diffusing it so it's not so harsh. Then I'm going into this Nicka K Perfect 23 palette. I think it's all matte colors, and I'm taking that light pink shade and going above that other pink that we put down to blend everything out, kind of acting as a transition. Now I'm going back into that pink with this e.l.f. flat brush and just touching up any color we may have lost on top of our lids. And then I'm blending again. Blend, 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 girl. We want it to be soft, not harsh, and sharp. So now we're taking the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I am just creating a wing today. I thought it tied the look together really well, especially because there aren't that many colors on my lid. A wing kind of brought it together. Now I'm just taking a makeup wipe and cleaning up the fallout and sharpening up my wing. And then I'm going to put on these mist lashes. I'll have the description down below of which ones I used. And now I am just putting on my concealer. So this is the LAGirl in Warm Honey. And then I'm going to go on top with the Wet n Wild Photofocus in Medium Tawny. And I went ahead and did my base, so my foundation, primer, all of that off camera. I've done it a billion times and it hasn't changed. But I'll have everything I used listed down below for your convenience. So now I'm just blending everything out with my Sonia Kashuk sponge. This is a perfect sponge. And I found it at Target for like $7. So now I'm cream contouring with my Ruby Kisses Mineral Concealer, and this is in the color Caramel. It looks like dark chocolate. Don't ask me why it's called Caramel. That's what they decided at the factory, okay? But just use that to contour, and you'll be good to go. So now I'm taking my black Opal powder in 400 medium, and I'm going around my mouth, and then I'm putting it all over my nose. I love this powder. It softens and mattifies everything for a smooth look all around. And then I'm taking my Makeup Revolution banana powder and brightening the areas that I put concealer to highlight. So under my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And I pat the powder in. I don't let it sit. I feel like it comes out smoother and melts into the skin like butter that way. So now we're taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm putting that in my waterline, and I'm gonna look crazy for a minute, okay? But I don't have a liner that's purple, so this is a good way to make any color liner you want. Just put down the NYX Jumbo pencil and then take some eyeshadow on a flat brush like the one I'm using. This one's from e.l.f. and place it on top of the jumbo pencil. Now be careful, if you're having contacts, this may not be the best thing to do depending on how your eyes react, but I didn't have mine in, so I went ahead and went for it. And just take your time. It does get a little dusty, will blink a lot, but it'll be pretty in the end. So this is just what I'm doing, patting that purple color on top of that. And then I'm taking this purple shade in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm using that flat brush to put that right underneath. I mean, like, right, like they cousins, sisters. And then I am blending in any powder that is still kind of sitting on my face under my eyes. So now I'm taking this Lash Discovery mascara and I'm doing my bottom lashes. I haven't used this in a while, but I didn't want my bottom lashes too dark because the focus was really on the colors and the top of my eyes. So this was just perfect and light enough. Now I'm taking this shade in the Black Radiance Contour Kit. Nothing new. I use this kit all the time to contour. As you can see, I'm almost running out of that shade. And then I'm just contouring my nose with an eyeshadow brush in the same color. So now I'm just going underneath my contour with my black opal powder to sharpen it up. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash. This is the big wand. And I'm blending my lashes with the false ones. I always do this after I put on lashes because my lashes are so curly. I got to do it that way. And now I am dusting away any excess powder that was on my face with this big, large powder brush. And then I'm going to take that color that we use on our eyes as a blush because this is a blush palette. So haha, that worked out. Finesse the system. And I'm going to blend that out with a big fluffy brush in a second because, sis, we can't leave it like this. It's unacceptable. Now I'm drawing on my faux moles with my Jordana pencil. And then I'm going to take Apricot Glow. It's a baked highlighter by e.l.f. and I love it. It wasn't too glittery. I've been kind of getting away from super glittery highlighters. This one kind of gives that glow. Girl, you're glowing from within, not on top of your skin, okay? So I'm going to put that on. Now I'm going into Pool Party in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm placing that on the inner corner for that pop of color. And I thought this tied everything so pretty. These colors are so beautiful together. And I switched brushes in the middle of this because the first brush just really wasn't doing it for me. It was too stiff. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. But it's okay. We fixed it. And then now we're setting our face with the e.l.f. Matte Magic Setting Mist. And I drench, y'all. This is how you get it to look like skin. Hydrate your skin. And then I'm just patting that in with my Sonia Kashuk sponge and touching up my highlighter. Now I'm going in with this lip liner. I'll have it listed down below. I can't think of it to save my life. And just wiping off some excess Vaseline I had on my lips, girl. Now this lip is going to be a journey, okay? But I kept everything in here so you could see that it was a journey. So I'm filling in the edges as well as the outer part of my lip to kind of give that ombre contrast. And then I went in with this NYX Lip Lingerie. I didn't like this, but I just went ahead and blended it in. Ooh, I'm not doing this no more. And so just blend that in, pat that in. And then I'm going back over that with the liner. And then I had the bright idea. I was going between two glosses. I put on this NYX one, but I don't know if it was a bad batch or what. But I didn't like the way it was smelling. It was looking. And I tried to go over it with this Black Radiance lip gloss, which is actually bomb. And you'll see me wipe this off with a towel because no ma'am. I couldn't do it. So I just ended up going back over it with the Black Radiance. And that's it, loves.